Hello everyone, today we are going to do that project on smart dustbin. So we can use this dustbin at our home, at school, cities, etc. So now Nandini will tell that which tools are used in this topic.
Arduino UNO R3, ultrasonic sensor, servo motor, 9V battery connector, jumper wire, cardboard and papers, etc.
Now we are telling to you that how we can use this project. We can put this project at our home, in school, etc. And we are saying that India is not well developed country, so we can use this project in our society, roads also, so there is not overflowing of garbage. So now she will tell that how to make it.
To make this project, firstly we have to upload the code in Arduino. We can take a bucket and cut cardboard of size of bucket and paste the cardboard. After put servo motor on that, and after that take ultrasonic sensor and join jumper wire into ultrasonic sensor and paste it at the front of side of bucket, and this jumper wire connected with Arduino UNO.
And some wires connected with servo motor also. After this we take 9V battery and 9V battery connector. We have to connect these both 9V battery and 9V battery connector to the Arduino UNO. And after this connection, and settle them like ways that they do not see it, because in dustbin we have to not show anything that what we have joined.
There are some advantage. It is new technology, so people will use more. It automatically open when any object go near. It reduce in the number of waste bins needed.
Important basics are smart dustbin are an intelligent waste, because when any person go and any object go near that, then it automatically can open, and we use sensor in that. By sensor it automatically open, and we use wireless ultrasonic in that, and there will be less overflow due to these dustbins made in India. So you can see here that we have taken ultrasonic sensor and we have taken one Arduino, and we have connected the ultrasonic sensor wires, jumper wire to the Arduino. From first we have connected ultrasonic that sensor wires from 11 negative and 10 negative, and that wire next from the battery outside, and inside that negative and positive both wires, and we have connected remaining two wires into this side of GND, and this is we have taken this Arduino as a UNO. So by this we can make our country India very developed and without overflowing of garbages. Thank you.